Okay, so how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So today we are going to solve another coolest problem, which is reverse string 344 Leetcode. Okay, so I have already made I have already posted a video on this problem like maybe a year ago. Okay, now you asking like why you are putting it back again? Well, because I don't know. I want to put it back again. It's an easy problem. It's a very easy problem. So like, what's the thing? Okay. So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, let's just understand like what the problem statement is saying. Okay. And you can say like why I'm re-uploading this video, because in that one I have solved this problem in my computer, but right now we're gonna understand using it pen and paper. Okay. So pen and paper is a old method, and old is good. Believe me. Okay, so what will be our flow in this problem? So first of all, we're gonna understand what the problem statement is saying. Then we're gonna talk about its approach, and then we're gonna code it. So I will not gonna code it because the code is very simple. It's very simple. Trust me. You just check the comments link in description. The link of this code in the description. So the code is both available in Java and C++. So Java and C++, both the codes are available, so it won't be an issue. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's understand what the problem statement is saying. So we have given an input something like hello, and they have we have to output it in the reverse order. Okay, so it's very simple, like you got an idea. Okay, so that's what the problem statement is. It's like something like we given HELLO, and I have to return something like O in LLH, and yeah, obviously this one over here. Okay, all right, so I hope so this thing is clear. Okay, so what first thing, the very brute force thing came in your mind is like, can we solve this problem like using 2 pointers? Like for example, like if I put my let me rewrite this test case over here. So we have given HELLO. Okay, so guys, remember one thing, okay, so let's talk about first of all 2 pointers. So 2 pointers way easier. Okay, so one of my I pointer is over here, and my J pointer is over here. Okay, so what are we gonna do is are we gonna put this value, put my I value to my J pointer and my J value to over here, something like this. Okay, so for that one, so how it will gonna happen? So I will say my I value is equals to my J value. Okay, so whatever the J value will become my I value. So initially it's O, so O will come over here, O will come over here. Okay, and my J value will become my temp. So what is temp? Temp is like I just create a temporary variable, like where over where which I'm storing my S of I value, S of I the index value. Okay, which is H. Okay, so H is storing over here, so it will become my H over here. Similarly like this. Okay, then what will happen? My I pointer will move, my J pointer will move, so my I pointer will come over here and my J pointer will come over here. Okay, and similarly what will gonna happen? My S of I will become the value of this one, so this will be L. My L will come over here, and my J value will become my S of I value, so that will be E. Okay, so that's how. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now similarly what we had after doing this, we're gonna put it we're gonna shift them. So I will move forward and J will move kind of backward. So J is decrementing and I is incrementing over the time. So we are doing I plus plus and J minus minus. Okay, just remember this thing in your mind. Okay, all right. So now they meet on the same point. So what will happen? My I will become my L and my J will become my even L as well. So we don't have to say anything. Okay. So now what will happen after this? After this, what will happen? My J pointer will come over here. My J pointer will come over here, and my I pointer will come over here. So once we encounter this thing, once we face this thing, we're gonna simply end our loop. So this is a very simple approach, which is 2 pointer approach. Okay, 2 pointers approach. And guys, code in the description, so you don't have to worry about the code. So like this is 2 pointer, and you can solve this problem using recursion as well. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing in recursion. In recursion we're gonna just worry about our this first swapping. We just only worry about our first swapping. Rest the remains swapping will be done using our function call. Okay, so we just gonna make our function call every time, and swapping will gonna take place. Okay, what's the another approach to solve this problem? So you can think of stack. How stack? Because stack use LIFO order. So LIFO order means last in first out. So for example, like if I create my stack over here and I have my hello, so hello is written something like over here, HELLO. So what will happen? First of all, my my H will come in my stack, then my E will come in my stack, then my L will come in my stack, then my another L will come in my stack, then my O will come in my stack. Once my stack is filled, once I fill all the characters in my stack, then what I will do, I will create another answer array, for example, and in this my answer array, I will pop them out and put it over here, 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 pop them out and put it over here. That's how, ladies and gentlemen, we have to solve this problem. So I hope so this thing is clear. Like this, trust me, the code is very easy, very easy. I'm again saying Java and C++ code, Java and C++ code, both are available in the comment section, pinned linked. Okay, so comment section pinned link, so you don't have to be worried. Like now you're asking like why I'm not showing the code over here, because like why you want to see this video way lengthier. Trust me, the code is very easy, you're gonna understand. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. If you still have any doubt, just do let me know. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.